This is Paisley, named after Bob Paisley, the quiet genius, the former manager of Liverpool. My first dog was called Shankly. I'm not a Liverpool fan, but I loved Shankly growing up as a leader and as an orator. The greatest voice. It's in me now to this day, the voice and the power of his words. He never wasted a single word. And I had Shankly for 14 and a half years, and he was quite a noisy dog, a bit like Shankly. And then, by mistake, I found this beautiful young animal and named him Paisley because Paisley followed Shankly into Liverpool. And as you know, their club song is "You'll Never Walk Alone," and we've never walked alone since. He's been a great help to many people because they like doing this, which is just stroking a silky ear, sitting down, looking at the nature, and he adds to that. And he's been such a help to so many people, including me, because he's just like this. That's who you are, isn't it? That's just who you are.